Hey guys, I'm here with the Rug Doctor Deep Clean Carpet Cleaner and the Hoover Power Scrub Deluxe. Today we're going to see how well we can clean this carpet. It's pretty high traffic. We're going to see which one of these cleaners cleans it the best. The Hoover, I'm going to show you. The Hoover has these spin scrub brushes that rotate and supposedly clean all sides of the carpet. But the Rug Doctor, now excuse me, this is probably really dirty. I haven't cleaned it. It's kind of hard to. But you can see there's the rotating brush right there, and then the vibrating one right there. They work off the same mechanism, which is pretty cool. So if the mechanism breaks, both of them are going to break, but it's an easy fix. They're not separate. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to see how well this works. I'm going to turn it on. Put it on wash. You can hear the brushes start spinning. I like how you can see when it's picking up water. There we go. Okay, forward. I'm going pretty slow too, so this is like my normal cleaning speed. That was one forward and back pass on the wash. Now we're going to go forward and back on the rinse. That is a clean Hoover pass. That is what I would do if I was cleaning at all with the Hoover. I can't, let's see. Can you really see a difference? You can see a difference. It's not perfect. You can see there's still some dark spots. So let's go over with the Rug Doctor. Pull this to adjust the handle. I put it about hip level right here, so I can lift it up while I'm shampooing to increase the suction. So, rug. And it is on. Super Boost spray. Just go up here. Just record. Okay. Pull it back. Just watch. gonna make it straight. Alright. I am pushing it forward. I don't know. I forgot I wasn't supposed to, but I knew it. For this test, I wasn't gonna. But it just works to help inspect us more longer. Okay. So this is the Rug Doctor clean spot. You can see there's still a spot that I need to go back over. And that's the hoover. The Rug Doctor one does look cleaner. What we're going to do is we're going to go back over the hoover with the Rug Doctor. As much water as we can, and then I'm pulling up like this. See how the wheels come off the ground. Okay. So, from the test, you can tell that the Rug Doctor does clean a lot better than the hoover does. That is the Rug Doctor path. And can't really see the hoover path because it blends in. Didn't really clean it much. So, again, the Rug Doctor does better than the hoover. That is proven right here. Maybe it's because the Rug Doctor is better quality, more expensive, so it is a little bit more expensive, not too much, but let me know what you think. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.